Hey everyone, I'm Sam from LI Tech Advisors with this week's LI Tech Tip. Today I'm going to explain how to block a sender in your Outlook email. So if you're like me and would like to reduce the amount of spam that you get in your inbox, this is an important trick to know. First, find your spam email, right click on it, select junk, and then select block sender. It's that easy. I hope this trick reduces the amount of spam that you get in your inbox folder. And for more LI Tech tips, hit the subscribe button or visit us at www.litechadvisors.com. Have a great day.